The Child Support Law Center presents Child Custody Fundamentals. I am attorney Alan W. Cohen, author of The Unwed Mom and The Unwed Dad, and The Child Support Trap 3-book series. The right to parent is firmly part of the Constitution. But what is parenting rights and what is custody? Between parents, custody is the legal right to possession of their child. So, why is there so much confusion about parenting rights? Well, the way things are because of the way things were. In order to understand, there are 3 things that you must learn. First, know your rights. Second, never assume. And third, understand why. In traditional marriage, the husband and wife had equivalent rights to their child, and that is still the case today. If their marriage ends and there is a custody dispute, even if they agree to share custody, it is still in the best interest of their children to have a custody order as well as a support order. That is not so for children born out of wedlock. Traditionally, the natural father of a child born out of wedlock had no duty to support his child. So if a woman accused a man of parenting her child, he had no rights to the child unless he married the mother or legally acknowledged his prodigy, making the child legitimate and giving the child the right to inherit his property. Accurate paternity testing is a recent development. But all this changed in 1968 when children out of wedlock obtained equal protection and the modern child support system was born. The system says that a child is not a child. A child is a financial obligation. This huge bureaucracy believes it is 1962 when the husband was the breadwinner and the wife was the caretaker. Nowadays, some mothers are income producers and some fathers are caretakers. It is not 1962. Yet, the federally funded child support system assumes, rather, when a girl announces her pregnancy and the father does not marry her, she is a victim. It is her choice to keep the child, and if she does, the natural father may acknowledge the child willingly or not. If he is accused and the paternity tests confirm that his sperm hit the egg producing the child, he has to pay. But what about the father's custody rights? Placing his name on the birth certificate makes him the legal father of the child. This is the big lie government tells mothers. A child support order alone is not, I repeat, not a custody order. Only a judge can award custody and must do so specifically. Absent a court order for custody, the man named on the birth certificate as the child's father, or a man that the mother identifies as the natural father of the child, has equivalent rights to custody. This leaves instability that is not in the child's best interest, but in the hands of the police. Absent a custody order, however, one cannot kidnap their own child unless one is trying to permanently keep the child from the other parent, like taking the child out of the country. So if you find yourself in a custody battle, take care of yourself, get a good lawyer, and never represent yourself, as the law is very complicated. I am attorney Alan W. Cohen. Thank you for listening.